So much Ipsy stuff. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you my January 2021 Ipsy Glam Bag, Ipsy Glam Plus, and a new service that has come to Ipsy. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Melissa Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer. I'm a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you could check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to join the fam, and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. So yes, I know it's February, but I was a little late getting my actual Ipsy bag from Ipsy for January. Not the, I had my Glam Plus bag, but I didn't get my Glam bag till like late. So better late than never, as I said in my Pandora's box video. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we get into my Ipsy bag and my Ipsy Glam Plus bag, I want to talk to you guys about a new service that they are providing, and it is called Refreshments. Basically, this is Ipsy's bath and body service. You know how they have their Complex Culture line? Well, now they have a Refreshments line just for bath and body products. I'm going to go ahead and read some of the insert that I have here. It says, blink and your bathroom is stocked. Here's how your membership works. Relax, your refreshments are on the way. We'll ensure you're well stocked for your routine with your favorite superstar essentials. And from time to time, we'll add some everyday extras for you to try. You're in control. Use hand cream more, face wipes less. Update your reoccurring monthly orders by adding, removing, or skipping products before we bill you on the last day of each month at ipsy.com/refreshments. Basically, it's another subscription service through Ipsy, and I actually got my first bag last month, December of 2020, and I got the cleansing face wipes and the luscious hand cream. The hand cream smells really good. The scent is citrus spritz. It does smell really good. I actually just used it. It's got a nice, clean citrus smell. It's like a soapy type of smell, but it's not chemically, if that makes any sense. Plus, this hand cream is more of a whipped hand cream than an actual regular hand cream. Now, for this month, I got, if I can open the bag, for this month, I got the velvety body cream in citrus spritz, and I got another pack of wipes. And the best thing about Refreshments is that you can interchange what products you want. They currently have the three that I just showed you. They have, let's see here, they have a pearly body wash, which is actually what I picked out for February, so I'll get that in this month's shipment. The pillowy shave cream, the Luxe 5-blade razor as well. Of course, you guys know with my low platelets, I can't shave. I got to use hair removal creams, so I won't be getting the shave cream or the razor. I may get them for my nieces to try out and let you guys know how they are, but as far as me, I won't be trying them out. So let's go ahead and get into my Ipsy bag. Alrighty, I do have a couple outside items, but this is the bag for this month. It is a clear plastic bag. I really like this little ring on here, and it has Dream all over it. Let's go ahead and get the card out. It says, Dream it. New month, new year. Phew! Even though, yeah, y'all know. And the sky's the limit. When you start small, a trim here, a bold lip there, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. And then on the back of the card, it talks about Refreshments, which I just talked about. So let's go ahead and I'll show you the items that I got on the outside of the bag. The first one is from SL Miss Glam, and it is her, what does this say? Her P30 angled brush. I just love her brushes. Her brushes are so, so good. I can never get enough of these brushes. I just love them. The next item we have is from Kinship, and it is the Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleaner. Bare face equals happy place. It says a daily non-foaming cream cleanser that purifies, hydrates, and softens skin without stripping. A smoothie-like texture. It feels like the tropical vacation you deserve. They are Leaping Bunny certified, so they are cruelty-free. I think I'm going to pass this along to one of my nieces. Oh, and it's vegan as well. I'm going to pass this along to one of my nieces to try out because I have so many facial cleansers I'm trying to get through, and I don't want this to get lost in the shuffle. From Cake, it is the Heavy Cream Totally to Die For Intensely Smoothing Body Butter Balm. And it doesn't say if it's a specific scent. It just says rich vanilla shea butter, deeply nourishing. Cake is cruelty free. I do believe this is vegan. Yes, it is vegan as well. I think I'm just going to pop this into one of the giveaways I've got coming up this month, because I have so many butter balms and I have to be careful what I put on my body, especially my left arm with my psoriasis. It can't be too heavily scented, and I have heard that this brand does have really heavy scented products. We have a nail polish from the brand Pretty Woman. It says all our nail polishes are 10 free, cruelty free, paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free, GMO free, and triclosan free. That's good that it's cruelty free. It says our amazing collection of nail polish has something for everyone. Choose from over 1,000 colors and textures. The innovative, fast drying, and long lasting formula resists chipping, cracking, fading, or peeling for up to 10 days. Let's go ahead and see what color this is. Ooh, that is a blue. This is the shade, I don't know. Doesn't say on the bottle. Ride or Sky. It's on the box. That is a blue. I normally don't wear colors like this, so I'm going to pass this along to my niece Lexi because she loves pastel colors like this. And the last product in my Ipsy bag comes from Catherine Malandrino, and it is her perfume in Special Moments. I think I've gotten one of her perfumes before. I do know that she is cruelty free, and I do believe it's vegan as well. Yeah, it may be vegan. I do know that they're cruelty free though. So this is what it looks like. I don't want to spray it because if I don't, oh, focus. I don't want to spray it. It doesn't say anything on the box. It just says the scent is Special Moments. It doesn't have the notes or anything on it. I'm gonna spray it. That's got a real strong alcohol smell when you first spray it. It's not that bad. It's not my cup of tea. But I'll pass this along to one of my nieces. But it's not a bad scent. It actually smells really nice. But it's just not my cup of tea. Alright, now let's go ahead and see what is in my Ipsy Glam Plus bag for the month of January. I do like the fabric of this bag. It's not like a silky bag like the Refreshments bag is. Oh, and you will get this same bag every month with your Refreshments order. But it's very pretty. I do love the dream theme going on. All right, the card says the same thing on the front, has Refreshments on the back, but inside it says beauty resolutions for your sign. So let's see Capricorn, because that's what I am. It says, when trying new trends and colors, stay true to you. Okay. This is from Billion Dollar Brows. It is the best brow toolkit ever. You get an eyebrow brush, tweezers, and a set of scissors. And Billion Dollar Brows is cruelty free and vegan. I might keep this. I don't know. You can never have too many eyebrow brushes, but I have like 3 sets of tweezers and I have a set of scissors. I don't know. From Complex Culture, we have the Power Pose Lip Gloss, and it doesn't have, oh, it's in the shade Clear. I am actually going to do a video on this brand because I have just about everything to make a full face of makeup with this brand. So that's going to be coming soon. Okay, from Complex Culture again, we have the Good Lighting Highlighter Duo. Luxe Cream to Luxe Cream to Powder Soft Focus Highlighter. It says, amplify your favorite features with this Luxe Cream to Powder Highlighter Duo that delivers a sheer wet shine finish infused, I can't talk, with ceramides, flower extracts, and hydrolyzed silk. Okay, let's see what the color is. Okay, so the shades are in Lucid and Afterglow. Ooh, these are pretty. Those are real pretty. I'm going to keep this so I can try this out, especially with it saying cream to powder. The next product we have is from Pixi, and it is the Hydrating Milky Serum with Rosehip Oil and Aloe Vera. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not because I'm not a big fan of serums. I just like to slap on some moisturizer and call it a day. Plus it gets all over. I make a mess with everything. It has rosehip oil, jojoba seed oil, and aloe vera. I may put this in a future, or I may put this in for the giveaways this month. And last, I have from Perlis the Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. I am definitely going to keep this. This is my favorite line from Perlis, is their Blue Lotus line. It just works really well with my skin. And if you have very sensitive skin like I do, this is perfect for you. So I am going to clean all this up. Then I'm going to go down to the prices of each of these products. Alrighty, let's go ahead and run down the prices for these products. Let's start first with the Refreshments products. The Velvety Body Cream, you get an 8 fluid ounce bottle. It retails for $11, but if you are a Refreshments member, you only pay $9 for it. And that is a really good price for an 8 ounce bottle. The hand cream, it is a retail value of $7. If you are a member, you only pay $5 and you get 2 fluid ounces. And the face wipes, they are retail for $8. If you are a member, you only pay $6 and you get 30 wipes, which is a really good price for those. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get into my Ipsy, the regular Ipsy products. The Cake Moisturizer, a 7 fluid ounce bottle, is $8.99. This is a sample size. The perfume, when I saw this price for a full size, I was like, oh my God. For a 3.4 ounce bottle is $110. Whew. Perfumes are ridiculously expensive these days. The Kinship facial cleanser for a 5.25 ounce bottle is $22. This is a full-size nail polish from Pretty Woman, and it retails for $7.99. And of course, y'all know that SL Miss Glam brushes are stupid expensive. This brush is $19.50. Just one brush. Yeah. Now for the Glam Bag Plus products, the Billion Dollar Brows Kit, $56. For $56, these better have my brows looking great for the rest of time. Just saying. The Pixie Serum is $24. The highlighter from Complex Culture is $30, which I think that's pretty steep for 2 highlighters, but you're getting a decent amount of product, so it does kind of justify it. The gloss is $18. And the moisturizer from Perlis, we all know Perlis is stupid expensive. It is $45. I'm pretty impressed with this month's Ipsy bag and Ipsy Glam Plus. The product I picked for my Ipsy bag was the SL Miss Glam brush, and I let Ipsy pick the rest of the products in my Glam Bag Plus for me. I will place a link down in the description box if you want to sign up for Ipsy Glam Plus, or their new Ipsy Glam Bag X, I do believe it's called. It replaced their Ipsy Ultimate. The Glam Bag X is kind of like the BoxyCharm Deluxe box, where it gets shipped out once every 3 months. That's something new. The Ultimate box was shipped out every month. Or if you want to sign up for Refreshments. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you happen to see one with my face in this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, all the products that I used for this makeup look will be down in the description box. And if you want to see how I made the makeup look, it is yesterday's video. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye. Alrighty, let's go ahead and run down the prices of these products. Let's start. I have a hard time talking as it is, but when I film 2 videos back to back, it gets worse. All I smell is that perfume. I smell like a woman.